What's up, guys? This is my first ever vlog. I have a question. This is my brother.
Hi guys, my name is Jumel Armero.
Okay. My question is, what is language?
Language is, for me, language is a method of communication, either signing or writing.
Okay, let's go. The second question is, language and dialect the same?
For me is language or dialect the same. No, but dialect is part of language. To speak language, you need to speak different dialect.
Third question is, what is the difference between language and communication?
Language is a word or sign or writing, but communication is you need like two people involved, like communicating, talking, or uh, like vice versa, sending or and receiving.